Hello and welcome to WordCraft English, where we craft language and build dreams. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of business startups, using the power of cinema to supercharge your English vocabulary. Are you ready to talk like a CEO? Let's get started. Imagine this. A brilliant idea sparks in your mind. You scribble it on a napkin, then on a whiteboard. This initial concept, this core idea, is your vision. A vision is the future you want to create. It's the why behind your every action. In the world of startups, a powerful touch in your vision is what attracts your first followers, your first team members. Speaking of a team, no startup succeeds alone. It's all about teamwork. Teamwork is the collaborative effort of a group to achieve a common goal. Think of those late-night brainstorming sessions. Fueled by coffee and passion, everyone contributes, challenges ideas, and works together. That synergy, that collective energy, is the magic of teamwork. Now you have a vision and a team. What's next? You need resources to bring your idea to life. This is where investment comes in. Investment is the money you need to build your product, market it, and grow your company. You secure by investment from people called investors, often by presenting them with a compelling business plan. To get that investment, you need to master the art of the pitch. A pitch is a concise presentation where you sell your vision to potential investors. It needs to be sharp, persuasive, and memorable. You'll explain the problem you're solving, how your solution is unique, and why your team is the right one to make it happen. A great pitch can be the difference between a dream and a reality. Let's review our first set of power words. We have vision, the dream you're chasing. We have teamwork, the collaborative spirit that fuels the engine. We have investment, the financial fuel for your journey. And we have the pitch, your key to unlocking that investment. Can you try using one of these words in a sentence? Pause the video and give it a try. Once you've secured funding, the real journey begins. It's time for execution. Execution is the process of carrying out a plan or order. It means turning your ideas into a tangible product or service. This phase is all about hard work, focus, and discipline. As they say, ideas are easy, but an execution is everything. As you execute your plan, you'll start to see growth. Growth is the process of increasing in size, scale, or importance. For a startup, this could mean more users, more revenue, or expanding into new markets. Tracking your growth is crucial to understanding what's working and what isn't. It's the ultimate measure of progress. But the path to success is never a straight line. You will face challenges and setbacks. This is where resilience becomes your most valuable asset. Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. It's the toughness that allows you to learn from failure, adapt your strategy, and keep moving forward. Every successful entrepreneur has a story of resilience. And when you navigate those challenges with resilience, you achieve milestones. A big one is the product launch. This is the moment you officially release your product to the public. Product launch is a major event, a celebration of all your hard work. It's your company's debut on the world stage, a chance to make a first impression. Let's recap our next set of keywords. Execution, turning your plan into action. Growth, the measure of your progress and expansion. Resilience, your ability to bounce back from challenges. And product launch, the exciting moment your creation meets the world. These words aren't just for business. They're about bringing any project to life. Now let's talk about the mindset you need. An entrepreneurial mindset is about being innovative, To be innovative means to feature new methods. It's about being advanced and original. It's not just about inventing something new, but also about improving existing ideas in a creative way. An innovative approach can give you a critical edge over the competition. Another key term is scalability. Scalability refers to a company's ability to handle increased demand. A scalable business model is one that can grow and expand without being held back by its structure or available resources. When investors look at your company, they're asking, does this have scalability? Can it become a billion-dollar company? This leads us to the ultimate goal for many: success. What does success look like? It's not just about financial profit. Success can be creating a product that people love, building a company culture that inspires, or making a positive impact on the world. It's the achievement of your original vision. True success is a combination of profit, purpose, and passion. So, let's put it all together. You start with a vision. You build a team based on teamwork. You craft a pitch to secure investment. Then you focus on execution to drive growth. You practice resilience through the tough times, leading to your product launch. You maintain innovative mindset and ensure your business has scalability. And finally, you achieve your own definition of success. You see how these words tell a story. The story of building something from nothing. This is the language of creators, innovators, and dreamers. By learning these words, you're not just improving your English, you're learning the vocabulary of ambition and achievement. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the language of startups. We hope you feel inspired and a little more confident in your English skills. Remember, every big company started with a small idea, just like every expert was once a beginner. Keep learning, keep building, and keep dreaming. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to WordCraft English for more lessons that craft your language and help you build your dreams. Let us know in the comments which startup word inspires you the most. See you in the next video.